Welcome to my review of the BELLEZE 48-inch TV stand with an 18-inch electric fireplace heater. This modern entertainment center combines style and functionality, perfect for any living room or bedroom. The TV stand fits TVs up to 50 inches and features a beautiful ashland pine finish with crown molding details and stylish metal hardware, giving your space a sophisticated, rustic look. It offers ample storage with open shelves and cabinets that include adjustable shelving, ideal for organizing your media accessories, books, and games. Plus, cable management slots help keep all your wires neat and tidy. What makes this TV stand unique is the built-in electric fireplace. It heats up to 400 square feet, providing cozy warmth without any smoke or ash. The fireplace also has a safety feature that prevents overheating and automatically shuts off if needed. For extra safety, the stand comes with anti-tipping brackets, built with sturdy manufactured wood. This TV stand supports up to 70 pounds, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Overall, it's a stylish, safe, and practical addition to any home. If you want to add warmth and elegance to your space, check out the link below to get yours today.